Welcome to Car Updater, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews, updates, and in-depth analysis of the hottest rides on the planet. Today, we're diving into the Ferrari 296 GTB, a masterpiece of design, engineering, and performance that redefines what it means to be a modern sports car. This hybrid supercar combines cutting-edge technology with Ferrari's legendary craftsmanship, creating a driving experience like no other. The Ferrari 296 GTB is powered by a 3.0-liter V6 engine coupled with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of 830 horsepower. This is Ferrari's first V6-powered car in decades, but don't let the smaller engine size fool you. The 296 GTB is blisteringly fast, going from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.9 seconds and reaching a top speed of over 330 km per hour. The engine's twin-turbo design ensures seamless power delivery, while the electric motor adds an extra boost, especially in low-speed acceleration. Ferrari has engineered the hybrid system to be both powerful and lightweight, ensuring it doesn't compromise the car's agility or handling. The exterior design of the 296 GTB is a perfect blend of elegance and aggression. Its sleek, aerodynamic lines are not just for show, they enhance the car's performance by optimizing airflow and reducing drag. The low-slung stance, wide rear, and signature Ferrari curves make it a head-turner on the road. The active aerodynamics, including a deployable rear spoiler, adapt to driving conditions to provide maximum downforce when needed. Ferrari's attention to detail extends to the smallest features, such as the flush door handles and beautifully sculpted LED headlights. Step inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cabin that combines luxury with cutting-edge technology. The cockpit is dominated by a fully digital instrument cluster, allowing the driver to customize the display to their preferences. High-quality materials like leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber are used throughout, creating an environment that feels as premium as the car's performance. The multifunction steering wheel puts all essential controls within easy reach, and Ferrari's latest infotainment system offers seamless connectivity for music, navigation, and more. Despite its sporty nature, the 296 GTB offers a surprising level of comfort, making it suitable for longer drives as well as spirited sprints. The 296 GTB also features multiple driving modes, including an all-electric mode that offers up to 25 km of range. This makes it one of the most environmentally friendly Ferraris ever produced without sacrificing performance. The eDrive mode is ideal for quiet city driving, while the hybrid and performance modes unleash the full potential of the car's powertrain. Thank you for watching this deep dive into the Ferrari 296 GTB on Car Updater. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest cars and automotive trends, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Stay tuned for more reviews, updates, and exclusive content.